Hey everybody, it's Miss O'Brien. Today's the video for Thursday, January 13th. If you're absent, we miss you and can't wait till you come back. I wanted to just take a minute and go over some of the things that we did in class today. Let's start with math. So in math, we're doing Chapter 7, Lesson 10. And in Lesson 10, we are taking what we've been doing with fractions and mixed numbers and doing multiple step problems. So we practiced again in small groups with our whiteboards and worked with each other. Remember that we're doing whole numbers and fractions and fractions. And then, if we need to switch from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we've been practicing those skills. The lesson is on page 441. The homework page is 445. And of course, then the Think Central. So use this time while you're at home, please, to get caught up on your Think Central up through lesson 7.10. That will be the end of the Think Central assignments for right now. If you have reading group with Miss O'Brien, make sure to finish up your reading group questions. Whatever the name of your book is, we're doing this unit in Confronting Challenges. So whatever reading group you are in, all of them are wrapping up the book that they're on today or tomorrow. Also in reading, don't forget that word study packet from last week. We assigned it last Friday and it's due today, Thursday. I don't remember all of the words, but I remember that the first word was aqua. So work on getting that done all the way through. We've been working on that a little bit at a time each day. Also, our packet that we do today, the work was with adjectives and with our spelling words. And then today we used it as a catch-up day. Yesterday we started the Molly Whoopie writing. How would Molly Whoopie be different if it was realistic fiction? So we used that time today in class. You'll find that now on the Thursday Google class, so you can finish that as well. Tomorrow in math, we will not be doing a new math lesson. We will be doing another one of those practice online computer tests. This one will be for reading. So we won't have a new math lesson. So we'll be using the time in class as makeup time. So please, if you're able, you're feeling well, and you have your computer time, whenever your parents say, use it to finish up your Think Central and some of the things we talked about. We don't have school on Monday. Tuesday, the club papers are due. So Tuesday is the day. Not Wednesday, but Tuesday. Can't wait to see you. Hopefully we see everybody here on Tuesday.